Good morning, student. Today I am taking a class of composition of blood. Composition of blood. It's a basic class. It's a basic information about blood. First of all, in our arteries or veins or our capillaries or our vessels have blood flowing the blood. In the blood have different kinds of cells. First of all, blood majorly divided into two categories. Number one, plasma. It's a liquid part, and it's a solid part, blood capsules or blood cells. Plasma and blood capsules. Plasma is a liquid part. It's a 55% of the total blood, and blood capsules is a 45% of blood. 45% part of blood. In the plasma is a liquid material. Plasma is a liquid material. What is the role of plasma? What is the function of plasma? The main function of plasma is to transport minerals, gases, hormones and other different kind of material, organic, inorganic, salt, basic part or acidic part, to transport one place to another place. Number two, it also regulate our body pH or blood pH or temperature. It also regulate blood pH and temperature. So plasma is a liquid part. It's a 55% part of the blood. Its the main role or main function is transport of minerals, gases or hormones or different kinds of organic or inorganic materials, as well as it also regulate blood pH and temperature. Number two part, blood capsules. Blood capsules. In short form, BC, blood capsules. It's a 55% part. We have three major blood capsules. Number one, red blood capsules, RBC. Second one, white blood capsules, WBC. And number third, platelets. RBC also called erythrocytes. Erythrocytes. RBC as well as erythrocyte. WBC as well as leukocyte. And platelets is also called thrombocyte. Thrombocyte. So RBC, WBC and platelets, three type of cells. So first one, RBC. The structure of RBC is almost round in shape. If you see that in the side view, it's in the edges it's a broad and middle part is the thin, then again edges is broad. Looks like that. The main function of RBC is to conduct oxygen, to transport oxygen and some part of carbon dioxide also. Because of RBC have hemoglobin, that's why it looks like a red. What is the reason behind it? Why it looks like that? Because it has hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a pigment to carry oxygen. RBC. RBC total life span is the RBC is almost 120 days. In our body, it survives only 120 days. RBC. Number two, white blood cells. White blood cells again we divided into two categories, granulocytes and agranulocyte. Granulocyte and agranulocyte. Granulocytes means the white blood cells have a special kind of protein is present, that's why it's called granule or granulocyte. Or the another type of WBC, they don't have granules, that's why agranulocyte. So granulocytes have three types. eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils. Eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils. Then agranulocytes, monocyte and lymphocyte. Monocyte and lymphocyte. So first of all, eosinophils. That is the all complete 1, 2, 3. That is the three figure of granulocytes. Eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils. Eosinophils is a binucleated. Basophils is a trinucleated or trilobed. The nucleus have bilobed. Nucleus have bilobed. Two lobed in a one nucleus. It's a three lobed in a nucleus. Three lobed, trilobed, and it's a more than three lobed, 4 or 5 lobed. So two lobed eosinophils, bilobed basophils, and trilobed or more than trilobed, it's a neutrophils. So that is the three structures of eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils. And what is the function of eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils? Eosinophils main function is it's a phagocytic natural phagocyte. Phagocyte means it's a natural phagocyte. किसी harmful material को engulf करती है, phagocyte करती है, उसको intake करती है, उसको destroy करती है. Basophils main function it's a anticoagulant. ये हमारे blood को जमने नहीं देती. It's a anticoagulant है. Neutrophils it's a main function of neutrophils is to provide against the allergy. Means हमारी बॉडी में कोई एलर्जी हो रही है, उसको कंट्रोल करने का काम न्यूट्रोफिल्स का. Then after granulocytes. Granulocytes have two types, monocyte and lymphocyte. It's a monocyte figure. The complete cell covered by nucleus. It's a more than 70% part of nucleus. Monocyte. And lymphocyte almost 50% part of nucleus. The cell covered by the 50% part of nucleus. So monocyte main function is a scavengers. Scavengers means it's a dead or decaying, any kind of dead or decaying cell. It's a decomposed by monocytes. It's a natural scavenger inside our body. Then after lymphocyte is a provide immunity or antibody. It's provide immunity or antibody. So overall, the white blood cells is a soldier of our body. It's provide immunity to our body. It's a protective cells. These are defense cells to protect our body from pathogens or unnecessary antigens. Then after third one, platelets. Platelets we also call thrombocytes. The thrombocytes or platelets, the main function is blood clot. The main function of platelets is to clot our blood at the time of cutting or damages or at the time of any kind of accident. जैसे ही ब्लड रिलीज होगा तो ब्लड को क्लॉट करने में कौन हेल्प करेगा? प्लेटलेट्स. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्लेटलेट्स. So first of all, RBC, that is the structure. Main function is conduction of oxygen and some amount of carbon dioxide also. WBC, it's a 5 type. The main function is to provide immunity or defense mechanism. That is the structure of all 5 WBCs. Then after platelets, the main function is blood clot. That is the structure of platelet. So that is the simple basic function and structure of blood. That is your body. In the body or in the vessels have different kinds of blood components part. RBC, that is the 3 part or 2 plus 5 part WBC and platelets, and rest of plasma. Means आप अगर ब्लड टेस्ट करवाते हैं, CBC करवाते हैं, कंप्लीट ब्लड काउंट देखते हैं, तो उसमें पांचों सेल्स का इंफॉर्मेशन आएगा कि हाउ मेनी ऑफ RBC, हाउ मेनी ऑफ WBC एंड प्लेटलेट्स. So it's a simple structure of blood. Thank you.